Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Google News feed on Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. There are two different ways to be able to disable it. The first way is we can swipe up and find your settings and open up your settings. Now, that's a feature that is essentially just turned on for the home screen by default on every Samsung, every Android phone, all of that. Now, one option is to scroll down until you find home screen. There it is. Tap on it. And you can see app size, labels, app screen layout, all that stuff. And you can see here midway down, it says add media page to home screen. Essentially, this is the Google Discover page. So we can always just tap on that and choose something besides Google Discover, or we can just toggle it off here. Another option you have is you can just press and hold on your Android screen. And then there you can see is the media page. If you turn that on, it looks like this. However, all you need to do, again, is press and hold. And then you can just toggle it off. And just like that, you have disabled that media or Google Discover page. And if I swipe to the right, it just doesn't do anything. Of course, you can always just change that to something different if you just don't want the Google News feed on the left-hand side there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.